afraid?
I'm not afraid.
We're
Going on a bear hunt. Going on a bear hunt.
Take pictures with my camera.
The picture in the camera.
Open up the door, squeak.
Open on the door, squeak.
Walk down the road.
Walk down the road.
Coming to a wheat field.
Come to the wheat field.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Have to walk through it.
Have to walk through it.
Got through the wheat field.
Come to the wheat field.
Coming to a bridge.
Come to the bridge.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it. Where's the
Have to
cave?
walk over it.
Walk through it. Mama?
Yeah.
Where's the cave?
Yeah, pretend. Pretend there's a cave.
They're talking you.
It's dark in here?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a bear.
Oh, you have to wait.
Got over the bridge.
They're over the bridge.
Coming to a tree.
Coming to the tree.
Can't go under it.
Can go under it.
Guess we'll have to climb.
Guess we'll have to climb.
Climb to the top.
Climb to the top.
Do you see a bear?
You see a bear?
No.
No.
Let's climb down. Coming to a river.
Come to the river.
Can't go under it.
Can go under it.
Can't fly over it.
Can fly over it.
Let's get in the boat.
Let's get in the boat. Whoa, 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 don't step in the street. Mary, 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 that's what I do.
Gotta cross the river.
Across the river.
Coming to a cave.
Coming to the cave.
Can't go under it.
Can go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can climb over it.
Tiptoe.
Inside.
It's dark in here.
It's dark in here.
Is anyone around?
Is anyone around? I see two eyes. I see two
The
eyes.
big furry body.
It's a big furry body.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture.
Run!
Ah! Run! It's a bear! It's a bear!
Back to the river. Row the boat across. Run to the tree. Climb up.
Climb up.
Climb down.
Ah!
Run to the bridge. Cross it. Run to the wheat field. Run down the road. Open up the door, squeak, and close it. We made it.
Yay!